Good afternoon. My name is Meg Bohmke, and I am the chairman of the Stafford Board of Supervisors. First of all, I want to thank our residents for staying home to help stop the spread of coronavirus. I know this is not easy, but it is our best weapon right now, and it protects the most vulnerable of all ages. Next, I want to reassure you that Stafford County government is working around the clock to keep you safe. Our employees and our public safety personnel are second to none. They train and practice for emergency events and are here to help our Stafford County residents. I also want to thank the people at home who have responded to our plea for masks for our public safety folks, and to all the businesses and organizations who have asked how they can help, and even those that have already dropped things off at our training facility. I ask again that you remember our Stafford County businesses and that you patronize them as much as you can while obeying the governor's directives. They depend upon us for their survival. Lastly, I ask that you take heart. We are resilient, strong, resourceful people, and together we will defeat coronavirus. Now, I would like to introduce our County Administrator, Mr. Tom Foley.
Thank you, Ms. Bohmke. As most of you know, due to the coronavirus, county facilities have been closed to public access over the past couple weeks and were scheduled to be closed until March 31st. Unfortunately, due to the continued challenges we all face, we will be continuing this closure through May 1st. I want to reassure you that we'll continue to maintain services by phone, online, and through scheduled appointments on a limited basis. If you should have any questions about how to access our services, please call our central switchboard at 540-658-8600 during business hours, and someone will help you. In addition, effective today, while our outdoor parks will remain open, amenities such as restrooms, pavilions, playgrounds, and other associated structures will not be available. Because it is critical that we do everything we can to stop the spread of the virus, we also ask that you maintain social distancing when visiting our parks to enjoy our trails. In spite of the challenges we are dealing with, the Board of Supervisors continues to work on the development of the FY 2021 budget. Our board is holding budget work sessions in accordance with the governor's 10-person social distancing limit. And in these times, the board remains committed to a high level of transparency in assuring you have full access to all the information that you need. Times and dates for the budget sessions and any meetings we will have are listed under public meetings on the front page of our website at www.staffordcountyva.gov. All of these board meetings will be broadcast live on our website and on the Stafford County Public Access cable channel. On another important note, our Public Works Department is asking that the public be extra careful during this time in what they flush down the sewer system. In particular, please avoid flushing wipes and other items. These items can cause serious damage by clogging up the sewer system. Please help us preserve our infrastructure by flushing only toilet paper. Lastly, I ask that you help stem the tide of misinformation about the coronavirus. To provide you with timely and accurate information, we've created a central coronavirus page on our website, which is updated every day. It includes the latest official information from the state and from the Centers for Disease Control. Please help us by using our official information as your primary source of information and sharing it with others. Thank you, and please stay well. I would like to introduce at this time our Fire Chief, Joe Cardello, and thank him for the excellent work of our Fire and Rescue Department and all our committed public safety personnel.
Thank you, Mr. Foley. The responsibilities of your Fire and Rescue Department include fire prevention and life safety education, response to an array of emergencies, and as we are seeing now, emergency management. In response to the global pandemic resulting from the COVID-19 virus, Stafford County's Emergency Operations Center was opened on March 11th. The purpose of the Emergency Operations Center is to organize resources and consolidate work effort and planning functions in response to a significant threat. This effort has been in place for the past 2 weeks and will continue for the foreseeable future. Our goal is to protect the lives of the citizens of Stafford County. At this time, Stafford County has 9 confirmed cases of COVID-19, and there are a total of 13 confirmed cases in the region. Statewide, nearly 400 people have contracted the virus, and 45 people have been hospitalized. It is essential to acknowledge that our success will be determined by the level of team commitment to this crisis, both within the county government and the community as a whole. We are working in coordination with the Virginia Department of Health and many other community partners like Stafford County Public Schools and local hospitals to remain abreast of all updates across the state and our region. We rely on the Virginia Department of Health as the lead agency during this health emergency, and we will continue to support their efforts to ensure the safety of our community. Several steps have been taken to ensure the safety of Stafford County residents, visitors, and staff. The Stafford County government has enacted measures to modify and virtualize services, limiting the risk of exposure to employees and citizens. Additionally, the public safety departments of Fire and Rescue and the Stafford Sheriff's Office have implemented a series of precautions to maintain the safety of our members and ensure that you continue to receive the excellent service that you're used to. We've taken protective measures for our firefighters and EMS providers. They may look different as they wear more personal protective equipment to limit exposure risk. When you call 911, you may be asked a few questions pertaining to COVID-19 exposure. You may be asked to meet crews outside if you're able to, or to put on a surgical mask if you have one. For those residents who are elderly or at risk, our Sheriff's Office is available to pick up and deliver medicine for those who cannot leave their homes by calling 540-658-4400. Again, that's 540-658-4400. As community members, your help is essential as well. We continue to stress the importance of social distancing, personal hygiene, respiratory etiquette, cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces daily, and most importantly, please stay home as much as possible. Please ensure that you're limiting any gatherings to less than 10 people, and all recreation, entertainment, retail, and dining establishments must adhere to Governor Northam's directive executed on March 23rd. This situation is dynamic, and we are encountering frequent changes. I ask you please continue to visit our website as well as the Virginia Department of Health's website at vdh.virginia.gov for updated information on COVID-19. And remember, Stafford County continues to be prepared and ready to respond to this emergency. I look forward to sharing more information with you soon.